So this video is just quickly about showing you
how to fix your fucking Nvidia GeForce Shadow Recording.
if your microphone doesn't want to pick up. So let's get into it. So if you've got an issue recording on your microphone through Nvidia, you do go to Nvidia control panel or Nvidia GeForce settings. Right. Then once it's open, go to system overlay or shadow overlay. You go to settings. Then you go to audio right. Then you see here, you should be able to have multiple audio selections for your microphone. If you do not, and if you do, let me just quickly take you there. Just go to sound settings, open sound settings. Then you'll see here, see my microphone input. I've only got the microphone, my headset.
And if you go to manage sound devices,
Right. Here's all your input devices. Here's my headset. I've disabled the other two, so only the headset can pick up through Nvidia, because sometimes Nvidia will automatically take the other ones which are available. That's why if you disable them, it can only take the specific one that you pointed to. So now if we go back to Nvidia settings or GeForce settings, GeForce experience, experience the shit. Then we just go to settings, overlay, settings, audio. Once you've disabled it, you should be able to see that it's grayed out and then it's always selected on your headset or whatever you use for your recording stage. And yeah, that's it. From there, you're done, dusted, and ready to go and fucking record shit. So, hope this helps.